Hey folks, I have Jan's Tenor Ukulele to show you today. This is number 747, and it's one of my top wood combinations. It's a Porterford Cedar top with a walnut back and sides. And if somebody doesn't know what to pick and they just want a general all-around great ukulele, I usually choose this. This is like, for instance, what a lot of my artists use. It's just dependable, it's great, it's awesome, it always sounds good, it's local, it looks nice, etc. Anyway, this walnut back and sides is pretty cool. It's got like a cool piece of sapwood and some nice curl to it. Walnut binding all around. And then the Porterford Cedar top is very old salvage Porterford Cedar that I get from Kevin at woodfromthewest.com, and it has these cool bluish gray mineral streaks in it, which I love. Then pistachio across the front, cool graft and a piece of sapwood in there. And then the neck is also Porterford Cedar. It's 5 pieces with a little strip down the middle there, a 3-piece strip down the middle. And I just finally got some Porterford Cedar that's suitable for necks, so you'll see that coming up soon. This comes from my neighbor who is a flute maker, and I helped him clean out his shop and got a bunch of nice Porterford Cedar. So yeah, it's a winner. She's got a pickup in it, and we went for a low G. Yeah, it just feels great. It's balanced, it's lovely, it's easy to play. It's simple, but it's got some little artistic touches. I'm real proud of it. So, number 747, ready to go. Cheers.